Do you want to create amazing trending images that looks exactly like this right here? Guys, if you want to create trending images under your name right there, guys, you want to simply work with me from the beginning of this video to the very end on how to create awesome images that looks exactly like this. So right here, guys, you want to simply go onto the Microsoft Bing. You go onto bing.com, and right here, go onto the images section. So right here, guys, you want to simply go onto the images section, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here, guys, go onto the create option right there, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, you want to simply give this a prompt. I have some prompts right here I can actually make use of. I can decide to just copy any of these prompts right there and go onto the bing.com. I'm simply pasting that prompt right there. So once you're done with that, simply go onto create. Right here, guys, if I go onto the creation aspect, as you can see, my image is being created by AI, and this is just going to take a few minutes right here. So right here, guys, as you can see, I've been able to create an awesome images that looks like this right there. So guys, simply try out this prompts right here and create awesome trending images with your names right here.